These are the last known images of Omar Hamami, aka Abu Monsour Al Amriki, the American. Posted on the 25th of April, it shows Hamami, one of the most wanted men in the world, with wounds inflicted not by any law enforcement agency, but rather by former allies turned bitter rivals, the Al-Qaeda-linked Al-Shabaab. His father, Shafiq Al-Hamami, spoke to CNN for the first time since the attempt on his son's life.
It hurts me very much. It hurts me very much. No one wants to hear that his son is a terrorist. It's devastating for both of us. He's our only son. We only have one son, now we have none.
The path from the deep American South to Somalia is a long one for this American from the suburbs of Mobile, Alabama. Omar Hamami was born to a white Southern Protestant and a naturalized American of Syrian origin.
Omar is a very sweet, intelligent child. He's very bright and inquisitive about everything. He excelled in education, in sports, in just about everything he attempted.
Excelling, according to the authorities, even in taking up arms in support of Al-Shabaab. Last November, U.S. authorities added Al Amriki to the FBI most wanted terrorist list, alleging he provided material support to a designated foreign terrorist organization. Yet he has turned his back on his fellow fighters. Shortly after Al-Shabaab was driven out of the capital city they once ruled. He has, for the last year, been at war with the militant group, accusing them online of forsaking the true path. On Twitter, even after his attack, he was trading quips with followers, a relatable face of jihad. That's what many Western intelligence sources tell us makes him so dangerous in their eyes. Now the U.S. State Department has put a $5 million price on Hamami's head. He's also wanted for his role in suicide bombings in Somalia that the State Department says killed innocent civilians. In spite of the threats to his life, even his enemies can't deny his lasting influence. We met the reformed Islamist warlord turned Somali army general Indade at his highly secure home. Indade fought alongside Hamami in 2006 and admits that while they didn't really understand his online methods, they knew they were effective, especially in attracting more foreign fighters to the Somali cause. And Indade told us they were surprised how, for a boy from Alabama, Al Amriki could fight. When you travel through Mogadishu today, it's very different from the city Omar Hamami arrived in 2006. The African Union troops supporting the fledgling government have now established some semblance of security. Sporadic suicide attacks, the only reminder Al-Shabaab still lurks in the shadow. His father, waiting for him back at home, believes he is now trapped.
He has no good options, like I said. He has no way of tracking back, even if he wants to. We have no hope of ever seeing him again.
As Hamami faces an uncertain fate far from home, he seems to have accepted his situation. In one of his recent tweets, he told followers he knows there are no safe roads out of the path he's chosen. Naam Al-Bagher, CNN, Mogadishu.